United 1826, contact approach, good afternoon.
Okay, United 1826, going to departure, past the drone about 400 to 500 feet on the right, a little bit blue, about 5 feet in size.
Is it a quadcopter?
Yeah, it's possible, yeah.
United 1233, thank you.
Departure United 1826, passing 1.5 for 2,500, just past like a drone or drone copter up the right.
United 1826, Newark departure, radar contact. Turn right heading 280, climb and maintain 10, 10,000.
Okay, turn right heading 280, climb to 10,000, United 1826.
You said it was a drone off your right side for American 1826, drone copter?
Yeah, United 1826, yeah, it looks like a drone copter off to the right, about 450 feet, AGO.
Hey, did you get the color on it?
Yeah, it had some light blue on it, maybe some green, and otherwise white. And we told power a little bit too.
United 1826, I have a number for you to call so we can get some information from you when you land. Let me know when you're ready to copy.
Okay, Roger, go ahead for United 1826.
1826 will be
United 1826, and we'll be, we should be arriving San Diego about 5 hours before we can make that call.
Hey, United 1826, there's no problem. Turn right heading 320.
Roger that, right heading 320, United 1826.
1826, thanks. Contact Newark departure 120.85.
12085, so long, United 1826.